Wealthy people buy time. Everyone else buys things that steal it. You work all week, then spend Saturday returning what you bought online. Someone wealthier spent that Saturday doing absolutely nothing they had to do. The difference is not income. It is what they refuse to own. Every possession you own owns a piece of your attention. It needs maintenance, storage, insurance, or eventually replacement. Quiet wealth understands that owning less means thinking about stuff less. You cannot buy focus, but you can stop buying distractions. Most people add to their lives. The wealthy subtract from theirs. They ask what they can remove, not what they can add. This is why their homes feel calm, not empty. Every item in the space earned its place by being useful or meaningful. Nothing is there for show. Nothing collects dust waiting for someday. Compare that to the average home where rooms become storage for forgotten purchases. The treadmill in the corner, the bread maker still boxed, the books never opened. Each one was bought with hope and abandoned when life stayed the same. Quiet wealth does not hope a purchase will change them. They change first, then buy only what the new version needs. This is why they own fewer things, but use everything they own. Their closet has 20 items, all of them worn this month. Your closet has 200, and you wear the same 10. Owning more does not mean having more. It often means the opposite. You spend mental energy deciding what to wear from too many choices. They get dressed in 2 minutes because every option actually works. This extends to everything. Cars that never need thought, phones that just work. They pay more upfront to think about it, less forever. Meanwhile, most people buy cheap, then buy again, then buy again. The cycle costs more money and infinitely more attention over time. Attention is the wealth no one measures, but everyone feels. You can have $1 million and no time to enjoy it. Or you can have less and feel like your life belongs to you. Quiet wealth chooses the second option every single time. They will not buy the bigger house that requires more cleaning and worry. They will not buy the luxury car that makes them anxious in parking lots. Every decision is filtered through one question: does this buy my time back? If it does not, they do not want it regardless of price. This is the behavior that separates them, not the bank account. Anyone can start practicing it today with what they already own. Look around and ask what is costing you attention without giving value back. Then remove it, sell it, donate it, let it go. The space it leaves behind is not empty, it is available. Available for thought, for rest, for the things that actually matter. Quiet wealth is not about having nothing, it is about needing less. And that difference is worth more than anything you will ever buy. If this helped you, subscribe and leave a comment below.